If you want to learn how to generate 3D Pixar style images, then this tutorial is for you. Most people don't know how to generate 3D Pixar style images, but in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can generate yours step by step. I made use of 3 tools, and these tools are free. And also, I made comparison between these tools to generate this kind of images that you are seeing on the screen right now, and many more. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you'll be able to generate yours as well. Then if you have any questions, you have any contributions, or you are confused, you can put them down in the comment section below, and I'll read every one of them and I'll answer you ASAP. So enjoy the video. To generate our beautiful AI images using the 3 free tools that I mentioned earlier, we are going to go to ChatGPT to place our prompt. So already I've copied the prompt from my notepad and I'll paste it here. The prompt says, give me, let me edit it. Give me 8 viral prompts for Nigerian beautiful Pixar characters, male and female, that perform very well for YouTube shorts and AI animation scenes in 9:16 aspect ratio. You add aspect ratio so that it can understand the ratio it will give you, because sometimes we still have 16:9, which is for YouTube video. Pixar animation quality, Octane render, Unreal Engine lighting, cinematic depth of field, adorable, ultra detailed skin, 8K resolution, 9:16. Then we send it. You click on this arrow and then you send it. Then we'll wait for ChatGPT to reply us. ChatGPT has already responded and it says, here are 8 high viral ready Pixar style prompts tailored for Nigerian characters. You can actually tweak this to your own liking. Like maybe you're not in Nigerian, or maybe you're in Nigerian looking for to creating image 3D Pixar style images for Ghanaian characters, or Hollywood style, like all these are people from outside Nigeria. You can tweak it and put that country you want. If it's India, you put India characters. That's how it is. So I'm using Nigeria for this video particularly. So the first one is Lagos Sunrise Queen. That is, it has given us the 8 characters. Look at it, is up to 8, just as I requested. So I will not go all in for the all of them. I'm going to use about 3 out of it. So I will go with this number 3, which says market beauty moment. So I'm going to copy this prompt and place it back into ChatGPT, because we are going to create our first image using ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy this prompt, which is prompt number 3. Prompt number 3. I'm going to copy it and then I'll place it back into this chat box here. Paste. Then I'll send it back to ChatGPT to generate the image for me. To even make it more clear, you can actually put in 3D Pixar style by yourself, so that you can give it clarity on the kind of image you want, although there is 3D in the prompt already, but it's at the end. So we have to put it at the beginning so that ChatGPT will be able to understand the kind of image that we want to get, like we want it to actually give us. So now, instead of a beautiful Nigerian market woman, it's now saying 3D Pixar style of a beautiful Nigerian market woman smiling brightly and the rest of them. So I'm going to send it now. So we'll wait for ChatGPT to generate the image. Now there's a mistake I made. Instead of saying generate a 3D Pixar style of a beautiful Nigerian woman, I just wrote 3D Pixar style of a beautiful Nigerian woman, and it just brought out text. So don't avoid such mistake, always add generate, like this you are seeing here, generate this place. add generate. Always make sure you add generate. As you can see, the other prompts that I was using before, I just said 3D pizza style of a beautiful Nigerian woman, of which e now gave me the enhanced viral prompt. That's the mistake I made. So I added generate and it generated this beautiful image for us. So to download this image, you just touch the picture and it will roll. You're going to see the full picture. Then you click here which says save. This place, it says save. So you're going to click there, and then the image will be directly downloaded inside your gallery. So I'm going to copy this prompt again, and then we'll go to the second tool, the second free AI tool that we are going to use to generate the same image, because you're going to be doing comparison of these images. So the second AI tool we are going to be using to generate the same image for comparison is Grok. So to get Grok, you go to your Play Store and download, then you sign in with your Gmail account. I've already signed in with my Gmail account. Then when you see this interface, you're going to click on imagine to get more features and bring it to this interface. So I'm going to I'm going to place my product I copied from chat and then I'm going to click this to okay. You see kind of images. Okay. How we done? Then you click on this. So you click on this, get the video downloaded directly into your phone gallery. So let's get started. Once it has finished downloading, you say download. The download has been completed. So the next AI free tool for image generation that we are going to test is Google Flow. Google Flow is coming up newly, and by April 30th, Whisk is going to move to Google Flow directly. Like there'll be no Whisk again. So we are going to use Google Flow. And to get access to Google Flow, we're going to sign in. We're going to use my so I'll open in a new tab, and I will type Google Flow and access it directly without going to Whisk. Okay, look at it now. Google Flow AI video generator. I'll click on it and I'll wait for it to load. Okay, see it, Flow Google Labs. Then you click on it, then wait for it to load. And then once you come to this interface, you're going to sign in with, that is, if you have not signed in, you have to sign in with your Google account as well, so that you have access to creating with Flow. So it's still loading, as you can see. So now it has fully loaded and it has opened the real interface. Here you see this plus icon, then you click on new projects and wait for it to load. Everything is a process. So it has brought us to the interface where we are going to place in our prompt. So I'm going to place in that prompt that I used for Grok earlier, which is the second AI free image generation free tool. Okay, so I'm going to place in the same prompt here, and then I'll click on this arrow here. Okay, so and I'll send it. it takes time to load a bit, so we are going to wait for it to finish loading and generating our images. I'll hold the image down. I'll hold it down, you hold it down. After holding it down, you see some options here: animate, favorite, reuse, prompts, and download. So I'm going to click on download so that I'll download it down inside my device. Okay, it has come already, file downloaded. So if I open it, it takes me directly to my gallery and I'll see the image there. Okay, so this is the image I downloaded. So I'm still going to do another comparison. We are going to go back to our chat GPT, and then we are going to copy another prompt from the prompt that it gives us then. So we are going to copy prompt number 5, which has to do with a male, a calm billionaire. So I'm going to copy it and then I'll place it here back to ChatGPT. And I will come here and, just like what we did the other time, generate, and a 3D Pixar style of a composed Nigerian man in a luxury penthouse, and then we send. So wait for ChatGPT to generate its own image. So while waiting for ChatGPT, we are still going to go to Grok, and then we are going to send prompt in Grok. So I will be able to compare again. So I'll paste there and then I'll send. I did not do any modifications. Is the way it is, where it is giving it. Just hold and check the one that you like. I think I'll go second one. I'm going to download this inside our device. Wait for it to load because it's been a while we enter. So we are going to paste in the same prompt. It's not refined, just as it is from ChatGPT. And then we wait for it to load. While it's loading, I'll go over to ChatGPT and then check what it has for us. So the ChatGPT will generate the image. This is what Google Flow has for us. This is the image it generated. Wow, this image is looking so nice. So I'll go for the first one and I'll download it into my device. Just as we did it first time, we'll hold it down and then we'll click on download, and then automatically it will download into the device. Wow, this is the image ChatGPT gave us. This image is looking so nice, so good. In fact, I love this image. So I'll go ahead and download it inside my phone device. So you click on it, then displays, and then automatically it will go into our phone device. It says image saved. So we are going to go back to copy the last prompt, that is the last comparison. This is the system, which is the village princess glow. So we are going to copy it as usual. So make sure you always put generate a 3D pizza style image of a breathtaking Nigerian village princess, and then we are going to send it and wait for it to generate the image. Now there is one thing about ChatGPT image generation. It has limits. It can generate at least the image of four images in 24 hours. So it generates beautiful images, but it's limited. Even Grok is also limited. So this is the image that ChatGPT has given us. So we are going to save it and then we'll go over to Grok, which is the second free tool. We're going to place the same key and then send. Wait for it to load. So this is the result from Grok, although it has not finished producing the rest. So I will just go ahead and choose one. Go ahead with this one. We're going to Google Flow. So we are in Flow, and then we are going to place in the same prompt, untouched and unrefined, just as it is, and we are going to send it. So this is the last comparison. So if you have been enjoying the video so far, subscribe to the channel and also click the bell notification to get notified anytime we upload a new video, because these images are saying I'm going to create another video that I'm going to turn them into videos, talking images. So if you don't want to miss out on this in the next video I'm going to make, then subscribe to the channel, then give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to stay active. Okay, so we are waiting for it to load. Then if you don't know how to open a Gmail account, wow, this is beautiful. If you don't know how to open a Gmail account, there's a video in the channel showing you how to open a Gmail account and also how to recover your password. That is, if you have forgotten your password, how to change your password and get a new password for your Gmail account. So this is it, and wow, this is beautiful. In fact, I like these two images, so I'm going to download the both of them. All right, well, I've downloaded the same process I've shown you guys earlier. So we have come to the end of this video, and don't forget, I'm going to make another video. I'm going to show you how to animate these images, that is, to bring them to life, make them to talk, to move, and do the things that you want them to do. So if you don't want to miss out, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in on another video. Stay blessed and stay active. Bye for now.